Hello, welcome back to my channel, Charlie's Lessons. In this video, we'll take a look at how we can put Google Classroom in dark mode. So we're going to go to the apps launcher and go to Google Classroom. And then we're going to go to these three dots in Google Chrome and scroll down to extensions, then visit Chrome Web Store. Here, we're going to search for Google Classroom Dark Mode and select this extension. I have it installed already, but here it should say install to your Chrome. Once you've installed it, come back to Google Classroom, click on this icon here, select the newly installed extension, and click here, enable dark mode. Now you can use Google Classroom in dark mode. Thank you for watching this video on how to use Google Classroom in dark mode. I'll see you in the next video.